The Financial Tech Whiz Trading Journal allows you to import trades from over 25 different brokers, use AI to analyze your full trade history, compare your performance across multiple accounts and benchmarks, view your P&L on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis, and automatically track key stats that every trader needs to know. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it all up. First of all, you're going to want to connect your broker, import your trades from a CSV, or add them manually in the Trades tab. So to do this, click on the Trades tab, and at the top right, you can import from your broker via API or CSV, from a CSV like the free Financial Tech Whiz Trading Journal template, or you can just simply add your trades manually. The process will differ slightly for each broker, so just be sure to follow the instructions for each one. And if you want to import your trades from the free Financial Tech Whiz Trading Journal template, simply copy from the first date of the first trade all the way to the Notes tab of your last trade. Once it's copied, go back to the Trades tab and click Import from Excel or CSV, paste it in, and then import. And just a reminder, you can download the free template using the link down below. It's also worth knowing that you can create multiple journals to track different portfolios or trading styles separately using the accounts dropdown in the top right. After your trades are in, head to the overview page and enter your portfolio value from the date of your first imported trade. This gives the journal a starting point so your closed trade return graph is accurate. For example, if your account was worth $10,000 on the day of that first trade, that's the number you'd enter here. From there, I'd recommend entering your daily portfolio values in the Portfolio Performance tab. This is what shows your true equity curve and max drawdown based on your live account value, whereas the closed trades view only reflects closed positions. So on brokers like Schwab, you can pull your daily account balance, paste it into the free template, and use the bulk import option to bring all those values in at one time. Once that's done, you can compare your portfolio against benchmarks like SPY, your other journals, and view your max drawdown in dollar or percentage terms. Over on the Analytics tab, you get a high-level snapshot at the top showing your win rate, current streak, best day of the week, and best time of day for you to trade. Then below that, you can dig into your position breakdown grouped by asset type, symbol, side, option strategy, or by tag. And then further down, you have a more detailed performance by day of week, time of day, top and worst symbols, trade duration, monthly P&L trend, and asset type. The stats section breaks down your total P&L and fees, win rate, average win and loss in both dollar and percentage terms, profit factor, reward to risk ratio, total stop loss risk, average days in trade, and total allocation. Then under the Calendar tab, you can view your performance on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis in either dollar or percentage terms. You can also click into any period to generate a social share graphic if you want to show off your trades. Over in the AI Tools tab, you can generate a daily portfolio insight for a quick overview of how your trading is going. Plus, you can chat with the trading coach to ask it anything about your performance and how to improve. The coach has access to all of your trading data, so the more trades you have in there, the better. For example, a great question to ask the coach is analyze my top 10 worst trades, what I did wrong, and what I can do better. The coach will pull your worst trades, analyze them, and give you actionable ideas to improve your strategy. Over in the Notes tab, you can drop notes on individual trades and even attach screenshots of them, so you can always come back to review some of your most notable trades anytime you want. Also, if you want to share your performance or your current portfolio with your community or friends, you can submit any of your journals to the public leaderboard for everybody to see, and you'll get a unique link that you can share wherever you want. And finally, in settings, you can switch to dark mode, manage your shared journals, and even mass delete your trade and net liquidity data if something gets messed up and you need to start with a fresh import. So I hope this video is helpful. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments or come find us in the free Financial Tech Whiz Discord.